This is a very slow time, I must say. Whatever. If something good happens, I'm getting it. So it's this man's first time riding. We here to show him how it's done. A good time. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. Let's go, boy. If you want to go towards town, it's right. I'm not sure where else. I don't know where Dairy Queen is, but... Right? Yeah, it's right. It's right. He's saying right. We going slow, matey. We going slow. Oh, he's taking off. Oh. Or there's the Dairy Queen. Tamale, tamale, tamale. Got a sinker up. I'm gonna look like a retard clapping to my hands. Let's go, Bubby. Yo. Come on, mate. Why won't she start? Yo. I don't know what's going on.
Kickstart it. Do you have a Kickstarter on it?
No, I don't. Yeah, it should be on right here.
Okay.
Just doesn't even. Oh, whoa. What the?
We got it. Oh, you.
Oh, what the heck did you do now? I don't know why the heck that happened, but alright. Just need a little love tap to get her going. That was the weirdest thing ever. There she was, just walking down the street. His blinker's still on. Look at him go. Oh, he's taking them corners hard. Look at him go. Oh yeah. Wow, wow, wow. got the full squad. Rape. Make us look at Duke the first date. I wonder if he's ever got some bugs in his teeth from not wearing a helmet. Cause I mean, I get bug splatters all over my shield, so there's no way he doesn't get one in the mouth once in a while. Oh, my nose is so itchy. I'm trying to like blow itch it. I think there's a hair on it. Of the Burger King. Hey, what's up, biker bro? What the? He's got a hat on. He must be a little chilly. McDonald's and chill. Oh, we got, what is it? What is it? I can't even tell what the heck that thing was. It's smashed up. Yeah, it was definitely a skunk. When in doubt, guess skunk. Look at all these power lines. They're all like tilted sideways. What the? I wonder if they're supposed to do that. They're supposed to? Jesus Christ, his foot is like over the line. What the heck? He's like riding on the center line with his... Oh, what the cousin? We're in cousin land, that's all that I know. Yep. Hitting it from the back with his horse. Maybe a cow, a piglet in there somewhere. Shout out to Wyatt for the pickle juice. He likes to be covered in pickle juice, and then as people call him his slave. What's up, boy? Oh, his crack is hanging out. Boy, pull up your pants, son. Oh, what the? Hi. What a nice lady. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hit me with that wet dick, Betty. Ah. You pushed one too hard and almost pooped? Oh, gross. She almost got squeaked out of them cheeks. Go fish. That's it. Dang kids and their horn. That's it. Go, boy. Go, boy. Hurry. Oh, he stalled her. He stalled her. Now you better wait. You better wait because there's a car coming. He stalled her out. Let's go, boy. Spunky hunky. Oh, get the grass, get the grass. Yesterday I had a great dream. I had a dream that I was riding a Grom and I was just doing wheelies like for days. Like I was riding one for like a minute straight and I was like freaking out. Yeah. Oh, it was a great dream. I have a dream. One day I will have a Grom and we will join together in the Omaha Grom Squad and wheelie together. Can I get a hoya? Hopefully he don't stall out. I'm taking the inside line, inside line. Hey, oh, oh, ooh, oi, ah, oh, there you go. Mahi. Oh, they're just working in the fields. I gotta stick a bug in my helmet. I don't know, they always crawl into my ear. Like that, the one stupid bee crawled into my helmet and like puked in my ear. What the heck? It didn't sting me, it was puking in my ear. Like, what? I think it was because it was so messed up. I think it got in through the top of my helmet or something, crawled in there. I don't know how. Because my ear was just soaked with stinging bug puke. He creamered in my ear. Cover me with bee juice and call me your slave. Hey boy, your blinker. Blink. Your blinker. Boy, your blinker. I'm trying to... Your blinker. No, dude, boy, your blinker. No. Your blinker. There we go. There. Clap it up. Yeah. They have no idea. I'm just clapping for myself, boy. Don't worry about it. Yeah, boy. Oh, don't take out the cars there, mate. It looked like he was heading for him. Oh, he went in the grass! He literally made that car go in the grass. Yo, why the cock is he so close to the line? Oh, get the bird. There's a bird. It was like coming straight for me, so I put my hand out and tried to catch it. I hope a bee doesn't go up my pants. They're blowing out. I don't want none of that. He makes all the cars go into the gravel. Yeah. Why is he riding so close to the line? Give me that cup of cheese, baby. Haha, what a nice lady. Oh, come on, boy. Wave to me. Nothing. Oh, the passenger. I'm pretty sure he had a dude on the back of his bike. Give him a love tap. Oh. She's wide open. Boo fish. Thank you. See ya. What's up, girl? Ooh. Yeah.